Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to discuss the topic about proving fitness for custody. You have to remember one thing. The court has sort of gotten away from focusing on whether or not dad is fit or mom is fit in terms of custody, and really turned its focus to what's in the best interest of the child. All the custody factors are really designed to establish what's in the best interest of the child. So if the court finds that it's in the best interest of the child to be with one parent, the fact that the other parent believes that the first one is unfit won't matter. Now, I'm not suggesting that the court will give custody to an obviously unfit parent. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying is the fitness of the parent is not going to control the day so much as the fitness as it relates to what's in the best interest of the child. So we always have to remember, all roads lead toward Rome. It's all coming back to the issue of what is in the best interest of the minor child. Now, that being said, how do you prove your fitness? Well, there's a couple ways to do it. There are some people who believe that to prove your fitness, you must tear down the other person or show that they lack fitness. I don't necessarily believe that that's the situation in every case. I think sometimes it makes more sense to focus more on one's own positive aspects than focus on the other one's negative aspects. So in other words, if you want to prove your fitness to be a custodial parent, what you want to do is you want to show that the custody factors favor you because of the minor child's best interest. You want to show, for example, that there is no domestic violence in your environment where there might be in the other environment. Again, it's not about proving that the other side's no good. It's about saying that there may be domestic violence in this environment, and that's no good for the child. In our environment, there's no history of that. Another thing, for example, you may want to show that the child tends to come to you for guidance and for any advice and things like that, whereas that's not the case with the other parent. Again, focusing more on the fact that these are the reasons why you promote the best interest of the child. Whether or not the other person does, that's their argument to make, but you want to show how you can promote it. Remember one thing. When you're dealing with custody, what the court really and truly is focusing on is what will provide the most stable environment for the child. See, that's really the key. Which environment promotes that? If it's with mom, mom's likely to get custody. And if it's with dad, he's likely to get custody. So when you think about the best interest, always think about what's stable for the child, what's best for the child, what will help the child grow and thrive both psychologically and physically, really mentally as well. So you've got to, all these factors have to come into account. But again, it's really about focusing, bringing everything down to the lowest common denominator, that being what's in the best interest of the minor child. Now, if you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.